everyone to Indianapolis for Week 4 of the NFL as the Oakland Raiders play the Indianapolis Colts.
We're going to set the tempo today, all day, dog. We ain't been having fun. Let's have some fun, bro.
Seen a ghost.
Yep.
Let's go, boys. Let's do this. Let's go, DB.
Let's go, Let's
Let's take care of mine. Get a win today. Get a win on 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's get it, man. We don't do too much talking, man. We know what time it is today. On us. DB's on 2, 1, 2.
I feel great. Let's get it done. That's all I'm focused on.
Feeling great. It's another opportunity. Another opportunity to prove ourselves, man.
Line up and play. If you got on a uniform, you line up and show them the reason why you should have on a uniform. Because next week it might not be you in this uniform. So take advantage of your opportunity. Here we go. Grind time on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go, champ. I needed that shit. Let's go, champ. I needed that shit. Let's go, champ. 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 Hey, hold up. Say it like you mean it. We the boss on 3. 1, 2, 3. We the boss.
Jacobs is in, the rookie out of Alabama. Breaks a tackling with a nice cut. He's in the secondary. It's a gain of 12. He swerves to the 35 of the Colts. Second down and 5. Good time.
Good protection.
And the throw, and he's got him. Touchdown. Moreau, the other tight end, Buster Moreau. 18-yard touchdown pass. Carr to the rookie, working on Yasin.
They took the big man. That way. Move it! We roll the front, bro. When it comes downhill.
I think if you get better field position, you might have had to see it.
That's why I told him. I saw the black guy take off running, so my eyes came down.
First and 10. Marlon Mack wrapped up by P.J. Hall on that line. Nice play by Hall. High-ranked defensive tackle out of Sam Houston State.
Hey, pop it off, bro. That's what I'm talking about, defense.
3 wide plus Waller. Here comes the end around. And this is the young man Davis, his first carry across midfield. And he's gone to the 30-yard line. Still going. It's going to be a touchdown. 60 yards. Trevor Davis. Welcome to the Raiders, my man.
60-yard run in his Raider debut. Trevor Davis. Wow.
And just like that, zippity-doo-dah, it's 14-0.
Mack wrapped up and taken down. Josh Morrow jumping on his back, bringing him down.
Josh Morrow did a great job of jumping underneath Braden Smith, the right tackle. The coach is able to make that tackle for a loss.
Odom is in, 6 in the secondary, 3rd and 8. Blocked by Miller at the left tackle to the end zone. Caught for a touchdown! Tyrell Williams! And he beats Quincy Wilson. A second touchdown pass for Derek Carr. This one for 19. O'Alley Cox is in off. Oh, what a great defensive play. Joyner again.
A tremendous blitz from LaMarcus Joyner. There's that veteran. They got to keep him on the field.
Okay, Ray Lewis.
Right in the secondary, back in the backfield, 3rd and 20. They need the 11 Brissett outside. It's caught here by Campbell, blocked by Doyle. Breaks the tackle on the move and close. He may have fumbled. Joseph jumps on it. He did. A fumble, and the Raiders have gotten it.
This is a much different defense, Kevin, than we saw. They're getting off of blocks. They're playing inspired football right now. They're really helping to set up their offense.
Hines again back there as the back. Batted down! I think it was Crosby, who's as tall as an NBA forward. He could play for the Pacers or the Warriors, and he gets up there and spikes it away. Incomplete pass.
Makes it 3rd down and 2 now. They're in hammer distance and jumped in the backfield. They did not get it. The Raider defense led by Max Crosby. Mad Max.
Wow. What Max Crosby did to Jack Doyle, who was trying to block him, has to be considered a crime.
Brissett rolls to the right, looks end zone, tosses, diving catch for the touchdown. Rodgers And it's suddenly become a one-score game.
You got to be ready for something coming off that play action.
We talked about these big fourth quarters and what they did. Remember week 1 at Los Angeles against the Chargers, an 80-yard drive came back to tie it. They had the game-winning drive against Tennessee week 2. Now a 1st and 10, Brissett. Oh, it's picked off! Here goes Harris, and there go the Colts! A pick 6 on the first interception of the season by the Oakland defense. What a play! Victory formation. To a knee. That's it. The clock will tick, and the Oakland Raiders have gone on the road and come up with a big win, and the first at Indianapolis since 2001 when Rich Gannon beat Peyton Manning in this city.
Great road win, man. Under London. We going there for one reason only, and that's to beat the Bears, man. Let's get it, Raider Nation.
Hey Raider Nation, if you like that video, please hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our exclusive content, behind the scenes footage, and more. Go Raiders.